Friends, today I'm going to show that how to stop sharing from Instagram to Facebook. Friends, to stop sharing from Instagram to Facebook is an easy process. Friends, don't miss anything. Please watch the whole video, and after watching the video, if you like this content, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, for the settings, first you have to go on Instagram. After going on Instagram, then tap on profiles picture at the down right corner. Then tap on triple straight line at the top right corner. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Then my friends, tap on account center. Then tap on connected experiences. Then tap on sharing across profiles. Tap on Instagram. And if you see that automatically share is turned on like this, my friends, then you have to make it turn on from here. If you make it turn on, that means if you post something on Instagram, automatically it will be posted on the Facebook, my friends, right? So simply you have to turn off from here, my friends. Now if you post something on Instagram, it will be not posted on Facebook. So friends, like this, if you want, you can stop sharing from Instagram to Facebook. Friends, to stop sharing from Instagram to Facebook, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with an exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.